Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to load paper into Epson EcoTank ET 2860 and 2400 and all the models that starts with the 2. So basically how you'll need to do that is come across the printer back and pull this little tab. It's pretty easy. Now you'll have this gray tab, just pull it out and just push a little bit forward, and as you can see it basically locks in. And now you'll see these two little tabs that moves symmetrically, so basically you'll need to move those to the sides right now and put your paper. So I will put my paper. Let me take the paper. So right here I have the simple white paper, A4 format, and just put it like this. And now what you need to do is take your little tabs and push it to the sides. And now the most important thing, to not jam your Epson printer, what you'll need to do is take and make sure that your paper doesn't move into the sides. If it moves like this, it means it's wrong. You need to push a little bit more